realistic, unclockable 13x6, honey. You can't tell me nothing, baby. And it's beginner friendly. Ooh. And again, this is a glueless 13x6. So as you guys can see, I showed you guys how to set everything up, and you're gonna have a nice, very nice, realistic glueless unit. All right, guys, so we are back today with another hair video. Shout out to Myfirstwigs.com for sponsoring today's video. It's been quite some time since I've collaborated with Myfirstwigs. You guys know that when I first started doing hair videos, this company was the first company to reach out to me and believe in me. So shout out to you guys. You guys have been really, really there for me along my journey. So this unit that I'm showing you guys today is their new Kinky straight unit. So this is the pre-everything unit, guys. It comes with the pre-cut lace. It comes with everything bleached and all that kind of stuff. So this is a 13x6 lace wig cap, guys. So you guys can see there is a lot of parting space on this unit right here. They did a really, really good job with the parting space. They also bleached this unit as well for you guys. And another thing they did was actually tweeze the hair as well. So this is the front, guys. The hairline is super, super natural on this one. It is 16 inches long. So this unit, I'm gonna go ahead and keep it very simple today, guys. Probably do a really cute updo style. I'm a medium to average cap size head, so this unit should actually fit my head perfectly. This is Myfirstwig's first time rolling out with these pre-everything units, guys. And you guys know these units are beginner friendly. So if you are an amateur, if you've never worn a wig before in your life, definitely check out some of their units, but this unit right here will be specifically perfect for you guys. So this does come in a side part. You guys know I love a good side part. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my tools, and we're gonna go ahead and install this one. This is the same day install, guys, a shake and go unit. So it's gonna be very, very simple, and let me show you how to do it. All right, y'all, so this is the wig. The wig is actually pretty secure on my head. I did adjust the hooks in the back, and I feel like adjusting the hooks in the back definitely worked really, really well. I do feel like the band that they have on here is a little bit loose, but other than that, I adjusted everything as much as I could, and it's actually pretty secure. So obviously I have like a little bit of an ear tab section here that's a little bit too long. So all I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut that part off. It's not necessary to have that. I'm not gonna cut any sideburns or anything into the wig. So you guys kind of see how that folds over perfectly like that, in a, like a little shape like that. I'm literally just gonna cut in that direction and cut that little piece of ear tab down, guys, just to make it fit my hair a little bit better. So yeah, so I'm just gonna cut that off, and as you guys can see, it's gonna fall perfectly now, and you can actually go ahead, look at that. So now it'll lay a little bit better. If you want to go ahead and cut a little bit extra, let that lace, you can. So I'll probably just cut a little bit more, and this will just have the wig lay even flatter on the side, so you don't have to use any glue. It's like completely glueless. You can go ahead and, you know, just tuck a little hair back there, and then you're good to go. So you're just gonna do it that way, just to avoid having to glue this unit down and just to wear it glueless. So that's one thing that we can already say is a plus. If you want to go ahead and cut little baby hair into it, we can do that, but I'm gonna show you another way to do it where you're not making really baby. You're just gonna pull this way just to kind of disguise it and just trim it a little bit. So we'll do that after, but I want to show you guys just to kind of customize it when you get out the pack. And if it's just a little bit too long on the sideburn ears, you're just gonna trim it lightly. You're gonna cut that little ear tab section off to make it fit better. And you're not really, I feel like people get scared because I'm cutting some of the hair. I mean, it's not really that much hair. You're just cutting like the ear tab section, so yeah. I wish I would've used one of the clips they sent me, but you know, me, I be forgetting. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing over here. Just an extra piece of hair that we don't need. Like we don't need that extra section of hair. So I'm just gonna cut it off like that. And again, it's cut perfect, so therefore you won't get any of that noticeable look. So what I'm gonna do is just trim a little bit of the pre-cutness. You guys know I like to trim it down a little bit. Some people like to keep a little bit of that hair, that lace there, because they want to do baby hairs, and they sometimes need something to hold the baby hairs down. But it is not necessary for me because I will not be doing baby hairs. I'm just gonna go ahead and customize the size a little bit, just for disguising purposes, to give you guys a little bit of ways to make it look really, really natural without gluing it down. So that's it. So now it fits perfect, guys. You see how quick that was? So now it fits perfect. We're gonna go ahead and just customize like some little wispies on the side, not baby hairing, guys. We're just gonna make it look cute and dainty. All right, y'all, so I got the hot comb, and obviously you guys can see I pulled like some hair this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and glide my hot comb on top of that section. And I'm just basically kind of mold the hair to stay down, or just to get that lace area right there to not lift up. I do this all the time. Myfirstwigs has some really nice lace. Their lace is very delicate, so it could be easily manipulated with a little hot comb on it. If you're trying to not have the edges lift up, it kind of, you know, melts it in, as you guys can see. So that worked out. That was actually pretty easy. I'm not even gonna spray the ear. I'm just gonna trim the hair up ever so lightly. Like I said, just to give a little fall over effect. If you decide to wear it up in like a little bun or something, you got like a little, you know, like a little something on the side. Ain't gotta be nothing crazy. And I'm just doing that, again, just to cover up some surfaces if you're afraid that the lace is gonna show in those areas. Give yourself like a little sideburn situation going on. Nothing too crazy. So, as you guys can see, again, you can't even see anything. So it looks really realistic, and there is no glue. So I can lift it up and lift it right back down with no issues whatsoever. So that's what I wanted to do as far as that, just to make sure that the wig lays flat, 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 flat. And again, if you want to go ahead and do baby hairs like that, you can, but I'm not going to, because just this texture just does not need that. Like, I just think you just need to pull a little bit of hair out like that, maybe a little one hair right there, and then that's it. And it just gives more of a realistic look. Y'all feel me? Without doing too much. So with this one, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a side part. It did come in a side part style. I think I'm gonna go ahead and blow it out lightly so that I can have more of like a wave. And we're just gonna keep it simple and just kind of, you know, go with the volume of the hair. The hair is very, very gorgeous, guys. I love a good kinky texture like this one. So again, this is a 13 by 6, so it is a lot of party space. Like, look at that. And if you guys can see, the cap is nice tinted in my lace color. I did use the Red by Kisses, a lace tinting spray for this, so you guys can see it matches my skin tone pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead with my hot comb. I think I kind of want it in that area, so I'm gonna start at the base right here, just to make sure that it flattens out. And you guys can see the hair is gorgeous. This texture takes the heat so well, and you're not losing too much of that texture, so you still have the texture. All right, guys, so I found the parting space that I wanted. I kind of got the parting space. All right, guys, so I got the parting space opened up as much as I wanted to. So like I said, I do like the length. 16 inches is perfect for this one, so I'm not gonna go crazy. So what I'm gonna do is just split these sections right here so that I can get the hot comb to spread this part down for me and just kind of keep it pushing. I'm gonna go in with my blow dry straightener, my blow dryer brush. And that was just gonna go in and amplify the texture. I'm gonna try to use a blow dryer to curl the hair underneath so we can have like a wave. So that's the look I'm going for. I'm gonna keep it simple. I do like the texture. The hair is very nice. Gives more of like a realistic vibe to it. So I don't wanna kill that vibe. I just wanna amplify it up. So I'm just hot combing this section right here to get this area to be less bulky and a little bit more sleek looking. So that's all I'm doing. I'm not even gonna put any hairspray or anything because I don't want it to be stiff. I just want it to be a little bit less bulky in this area. And like I said, it's 13 by 6, so you get a lot of party space with this unit. It's giving a lot of everything with this unit, so that's a plus. So yeah, so working on that. I don't think I'm gonna do too much of that. And then I'm gonna get my blow dryer brush, and then we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fast forward that part because it's super loud. So we're gonna go ahead and curl it underneath to give it more of you know, natural blowout type of a look. So yeah, so far I love it. I think it's really nice. It just needs a little finishing touches, and you guys can see already, looks very realistic. So I ended up thinking, let me go ahead and try to give this like a little curl. So I'm gonna try to give this like a little curl. It don't gotta be perfect, it just gotta be like a little bit of a something. Oh, and it worked out. And oh God. And I don't even have no glue or nothing on that. That's cute. I actually did cut like a little bit of hair out of this section too. So let's go ahead and see what that's giving if I curl that one as well too. I'm gonna just cut a little bit more right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl that. And guys, I'm not even using any product on the hair. I'm literally just curling the hair up and then just making like a baby hair. Okay. All right. This one's not giving us a vibe like the other one, but it's definitely giving a little vibe. Okay, I think I like that too. You don't even have to put nothing on it. Alright y'all, so after blow drying the unit, I decided to go ahead and add some light curls to it. Now remember, this is a kinky texture unit, guys, so the curls aren't going to be like held really tightly, but you do get a very nice definitive style. So this is what I got, guys. The 16 inches on this unit is absolutely gorgeous. I did go ahead and trim the ends just a little bit, guys, just to make it more kind of like shoulder length. I absolutely love this texture, guys, and again, this is a glueless 13x6. So as you guys can see, I showed you guys how to set everything up, and you're gonna have a nice, very nice, realistic glueless unit. Obviously, I did leave a little bit of sideburns right here. I kind of left it kind of like wispy in a way just because I don't want it to be too perfect, just to make this look really natural if you want to tuck it behind your ear. Obviously, this unit is stunning, guys, and I did add like a light layer in the front, so the curl and the bang area just gives you like a little bit of a feathered look, guys. So very simple. So one thing I will say is that the unit does curl. It's not going to give you like a candy curl. If you want to go ahead and use a wand curler will probably give you more of like a ringlet curl, but the hair does have a nice texture to it, guys. You guys can see how lovely this is. I'm actually really happy with this one, guys. I've always done reviews on kinky straight hair, but I've never gone in and tried to curl it or style it a certain type of way. I feel like this way looks very natural. So if you're a natural girl that has hair that really mimics this length, this texture, this type of fullness, this is definitely a perfect protective style, guys. You cannot tell me that this unit is not mine, or this hair isn't mine, because it looks very nice. Now look at that lace right here, guys. The lace is very realistic. Look at that, guys. I can lift this unit up, put it back down, and you want to be able to tell that this is a wig. Very nice. I like how they went ahead and tweezed the hairline, guys. So the hairline looks very nice. You don't have to go ahead and do any extras to this one. The unit actually comes pre-bleached and everything like that, so it's a perfect 13x6. You don't gotta do anything to it. I'm actually very happy with this unit, guys. I'm happy with the fact that it's glueless and I can go ahead and just pop it on and pop it off. So what I did do is set on the mannequin head just to kind of see what it gave, and once I put on my head, I was like, you know what, honey, the curls definitely amped it up. Obviously, if you want to wear it straight, I showed you guys when I blew it out with my blow dryer brush, and it did come out pretty nice, but I was like, you know what, let's add a little razzle to it. So I just put some curls in it on the mannequin head just because I found it easier to do it that way and show you guys how simple it is. So this is it, guys. This is the final look. Very glamorous, very fresh, definitely a nice springtime unit. I do like the units a little bit short on this size, so 16 inches is a perfect length. I wouldn't get 18. I feel like 16 gave what it needed to give. You guys can see the fullness, the body, and just absolutely realistic, unclockable 13x6. And you can't tell me nothing, baby. And it's beginner friendly. Ooh. So as usual, guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from myfirstwigs.com, guys. Super happy with this one. If there's a coupon code, that coupon code will be down below as well too, guys. Thank you for stopping by and watching today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.